What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be talking about another fragrance that I just got in. Yes, this is the same time as the Pacific Chill video. Pacific Chill, I got it yesterday. This one I got in today, but I bought it a few days ago. So I got this from somebody in Canada. It's a wholesaler, I guess, but she has a lot of Dior fragrances. I'm not really too sure what she works for in Canada, but Cologne Blanche by Dior. There was a few other options. Now I got this for 65 bucks. 65 bucks, and this goes for 220 now. These size bottles used to go for 160. They did raise the price. They go for 220 now. But yeah, obviously like some small defects on the labels. Not too really sure. I'm not sure how these wholesalers work. I just know she was a friend of one of my current wholesalers, or she's a friend of one of my current wholesalers, and he kind of just recommended her to me. And that's why I went ahead and purchased it. So I have this on my wrist, and let me tell you why I bought this fragrance. I have smelled it before. I've been to Dior a few times, and I've smelled a few things at Dior before. I don't really remember this one too much though. But going through Fragrantica, I saw someone said this smells like a Guerlain fragrance. Now we know why I bought it. We have all these Guerlain fragrances all lined up here. So yeah, decided to go ahead, and I was like, you know what, if people were, or if I saw the one comment that someone's saying it smells like a Guerlain fragrance or something like Guerlain would make, I'm in. Here's my money, right? Good thing is I'm only paying $65 for it. I mean, you know, if I didn't like it, I would just resell it, probably for a bit more than the $65, but you know, still not take advantage of people. But yeah, Cologne Blanche. It did not come full presentation either, just the bottle. So I've had it on my wrist now for about maybe 3 hours. There's an almond note to it in the opening. Does it smell? Okay, so let's first start with, well, does it smell like something Guerlain would make? I would say maybe. Like, it's a maybe. Like, I could kind of see this being in a Guerlain bottle for sure. I don't know what the name would be, but the almond note is obviously a very different note from what Guerlain uses. But it's just the almond, dry down, the powderiness is what's there. But yeah, kind of. So this smells like the powdery almond note. It's kind of hard to say exactly what this kind of smells like. I'm assuming there's some kind of vanilla in this. Again, I don't really remember the notes from when I looked at it in Fragrantica like a week or two ago. My phone's over there, so I'm not going to go grab my phone to look at these notes. It's just what I'm getting. But yeah, creaminess, slight powderiness from the almond, and I would say some kind of light vanilla, nothing too gourmandish. Really nice, clean smelling. It's not Cologne Blanche as a Blanche fragrance like MFK's 724 or Grand, not the Grand Soir, Gentle Fluidity Silver. It's not going to be that clean, crisp smelling. This is more of a creamy kind of fragrance. Yeah, that's all I got to say about it. I got it in today. I've had it on my wrist for a few hours now, but that's all I have as of right now. I still have to give it a full wearing. I still have to give this Nishani fragrance a full wearing, the Popular Fico, and honestly I'm not really looking forward to it, so I might not give it a full wearing and I might just get rid of it. But yeah, I guess I'm not the biggest fan of Nishani fragrances. It is what it is. Even smelling them when I did smell them in Seattle, I wasn't really the biggest fan. I don't remember being the biggest fan of many of them, so I'm not really too sure why I picked up Popular Fico. I remember thinking Popular Fico was the best one, if I'm not mistaken, unless I was thinking about something else, but pretty sure it was Popular Fico. And yeah, I'll give you guys a full wearing most likely this week. So I'll probably talk about it in my weekly rotations video that comes out on Sunday. Actually, what day is it today? Today's Friday. I don't think I'm gonna do much today, but I might give this one a wearing today. Might give Pacific Chill a wearing tomorrow, and then we could talk about it on Sunday. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Let me know if you guys have tried Dior's Cologne Blanche. I think it's a really good fragrance. Would I spend the $220 for it? As of right now, I don't think so. I'm happy I got it for the price I did, but I don't think, well, to me at least, it's not worth the $220. So, yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys.